Hey guys, this is Mike with Old Iron. I want to do a quick video before I tour in this anymore. This is part one of Phoenix. Reason we named it Phoenix is the original color was Ember Glow. Google it if you're not familiar with it. It's a real pretty burnt orange color. So we figured it was fitting because we kind of saved it from the ashes anyway. I originally bought this for a parts vehicle for Sally. That's Sally. Started going through it, man, and I think I'm gonna build this one too. It's I got there. I talked to the guy on the phone, and he's like, "Oh, it's strictly a parts vehicle. Strictly a parts vehicle. It's got title, yada yada yada." I go look at it, and besides the whole back of my truck just heaped with parts, the whole inside was full. I started going through these panels, man. I had new fenders, new hood, new inner fenders, new core support, lower brace, the cross braces for the core support, new door handles, new door latches, new doors, new floor pans. So I knew regardless I wasn't going to get hurt on it. I got it right to begin with. I bought it as a parts vehicle, but I started looking at it and I'm like, man, it's not really in that bad a shape. Yeah, it needs work. No, it's not rust free. No, it's not dent free. Somebody started working on it and put some lower patch panels on with Phillips screws. That's always a good way to do it. Phillips screws and Bondo, man, fixes anything, And I started looking at the roof, and the roof was kind of shaved. It looked weird. And you could tell there's a lot of Bondo in it. So I stripped it down, and I don't know if you can see that. I started looking at it. At first I thought a tree fell on it. But as I was looking at it, I ran out to the shed. Look at that. Perfect fit of a Louisville Slugger, man. All of them. So, whoever used to own this car pissed somebody off. Floors need work. I'm going to put a full quarter on the driver's side. Probably a part on the passenger. I'm really not sure yet. I've had this thing about 4 days now. So I have not gone all the way through it. I know the cowl's good. Top and bottom. They cut out I call it the upper floorboard, the toe panel. When they cut out for the floor pan, they cut up to the seat riser. So, the seat riser has to come out. So I'm just putting a full pan on that side. This side's got a little bit of stuff cut out. But basically what's cut out is what was rusted, The backs are pretty good. There is, over on that side, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can zoom in. You can see a little hole over by the wheel well. Inner and outer wheel wells are good. The fronts of the quarters are good. Here's their beautiful patch panel. There's one of the Phillips screws. And then this back piece here is kind of pushed in right here. Not horrible, bad enough. So I'm probably going to end up sticking a full quarter on this side. Trunk area it's solid, man. I haven't pulled the tank yet to see how the lip is. Around the wheel wells, it's not bad, man. Same with this side. And there's right here. There's a little itty bit right here, and same on the other side, right here. Tail panel, I'm not sure of yet. It was a 6-cylinder 4-lug car with the Ember Glow exterior with ivory interior. Really nice combination, and it's gonna pretty much go back that way. I might play with the paint to where it's not exactly a stock color. I might add a little bit more metal flake, darken it up a little bit. Kind of go with that copperhead orange, if you're familiar with that color. I think that might be a good choice for it. Just give it kind of a modern pop. Side panels are good. I've got all the metal for the front. I'm hoping next week I'm gonna pull it outside and I'm gonna blast the engine compartment, the interior floorboards and stuff. Same with the inside of the roof the best I can. I don't want to heat it up too much. It's full of Bondo dust right now from what I took off of the roof, but all that beige color, what that is, that's carpet glue. And they shagged this thing out, man. Headliner, everything must have had shag in it at one time. That glue's just everywhere, so you really can't get a good idea what's going on with all that glue on top of it. So I got to get all that glue out of there. Like it, share it, hit the subscribe button if you want to follow the progress. I'm going to try to hit this pretty hard, so we should be opening up, loading videos on a regular basis. Because, like I said, I got 90% of the body panels I need. I got to order a few. I think three or four small pieces for it is what I got to order. Everything else I've got. That's Phoenix, man. So we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, man.